So on this next activity, you're still going to continue practicing on solving for x. So let's go right here to the very first one. And again, you're going to use the decimals calculator for it. Let me delete this one right here and let me just type it in. So on this one we have x divided by 2 to the right plus 10. And then number 2, you're going to type in what is on the right side, which is x minus 3. So again, I'm going to go over here to the home button so that I can see where más o menos you're going to cross. You're going to cross right here, which is, it is 26. So automatically I go over here to the bottom one and I look for, it says if x is between these two numbers, the color is going to be right here on the bottom. So where is 26? 26 is between 25 and 32, so the color is going to be black. So what I do, I click on black and I drag it to this circle one right here. And I go on to the next one. So the next one here, it is this one. So I get my decimals calculator. Like I said, I'm just going to do maybe 2 of these and then you're going to practice the rest on your own. So again, on number 1, you're going to put in 2x minus x plus 9. And then on y2, I'm going to put in the other one, which is a negative 6. Remember, this is just a number. The calculator does not know what to do with it. So we have to put in y equals in the beginning so that it can see that I wanted to graph this line. So it's right here. So click on it and the answer is negative 15. So I'm going to go down here. Where is negative 15? It is between negative 20 and negative 11. So the color is going to be, click on that, drag it to the next circle. It is going to be red. And that's what you're going to do for the rest. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I suggest that you pair up with someone, you do 9 and the other person does 9, and that way you guys can finish off a lot faster.